Hello dear friends, welcome back. This is my winter decorating series and this is part 2. Today I'm working on my dining room area, which I am including my bench, and as you can see a lot of stuff has already been cleared off, ready to do a little bit of cleaning and a whole lot of decorating for you today. I hope that each and every one of you had a wonderful Christmas and was able to celebrate the new year safely. Let's go ahead and just get started with a little bit of cleaning and a whole lot of decorating in my dining room area. Welcome back, dear friends, and if you're new here, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Rebecca. My husband and I are empty nesters, and I just love decorating our home for the different seasons, and I just love sharing it with you. If you're new here, I hope that you'll consider hitting that subscribe button and sticking around. I would just love to have you and definitely get to know you. So let's go ahead, and you can see that everything has been put away from the holidays, and we'll do a little bit of cleaning and a whole lot of decorating. While I do use these little felt stickies on the bottom of all of my chairs and table, actually on all of the bottoms of my furniture to protect my hardwood floors, these little things are like dust magnets. Now I do get them from the Dollar Tree. I get a huge package of them for just $1, and I usually change those out a couple of times a year. Dear friends, I hope that I have motivated you and inspired you in some way today. So if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel and I do appreciate it. With all that being said, now let's get into some decorating. Have you noticed yet how I have pulled out a lot of items from my Christmas decor without even spending a dime? I just love displaying all of my ironstone dishes and just giving it a hint of winter decor. You know, I just love to hear from each and every one of you. If you have any comments or questions, just leave it in the comments section down below. After bringing my dining room area and my entry back to a neutral palette, although I do love decorating for the holidays, I'm happy to get back to something normal, and this will remain until spring cleaning arrives. Then of course we'll do a little bit of spring cleaning and a whole lot of decorating. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up for this video and share this video with your families and friends, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. See you in my next video.